Hello everyone, hello dear students, welcome back in new video lecture. Dear students, let's visualize a new concept, that is perpendicular distance of a point from x-axis, right? So for this I'm going to mark some points in first quadrant, say A, whose coordinates are 2, 4, B, whose coordinates are 5, 3, C, whose coordinates are 8, 4, D, whose coordinates are 11, 6, E, 15, 8. So dear students, I have taken these points to make you visualize about the perpendicular distance of a point from x-axis. For this, let's draw a perpendicular line on x-axis. For this, I am going to mark some points on x-axis. I have taken a point F on x-axis. Now I'll draw a line segment which is perpendicular to x-axis, which is AF. Similarly, point G and a line segment BG. Another point on x-axis H and perpendicular line segment to x-axis CH. Next point I'll mark on x-axis, which is I, and perpendicular line segment DI. Another point is J and perpendicular line segment is EJ. So dear students, now we'll visualize about the how we get perpendicular distance of a point from x-axis. Now if you measure the length of line segment EF, yes, what is it? It is 4. It is 4 unit. So dear students, can you see the coordinates of A, which is 2, 4, means AF is equals to the y coordinate of point A. Let's move further. Let's check another line segment. Yes, we have marked the length of BG. Let's check what is its measure. We'll check its measure. Yes, its measure is 3 unit. And again, what are the coordinates of point B? These are 5, 3, and again 3 unit. 3 unit. Its measure. The measure of line segment BG is 3 unit, which is y coordinate of point B. Let's move further. We'll visualize about line segment CH, whose measure is 4 unit, and it's again the y coordinate of point C. Moving on, next line segment, perpendicular distance DI. You can see again the length of DI is 6 unit, which is y coordinate of point D. And if we talk about the perpendicular length of perpendicular line segment EJ, it's again 8, and which is the y coordinate of point E. So dear students, what we conclude from this activity? Yes, we conclude that the perpendicular distance of a point from x-axis is given by the y coordinate of that point. I'm repeating my point. The perpendicular distance of a point, whether it is A, B, C, D or E, perpendicular distance of a point from x-axis is given by the y coordinate of that particular point. So whenever we are to measure the perpendicular distance, we have to tell about the perpendicular distance of a point from x-axis. It is given by the y coordinate of that particular point, right? So dear students, now we'll talk about the perpendicular distance of a point from y-axis. In the same way, we'll mark some points on x in first quadrant and draw the perpendicular lines on y-axis. For this, I'm going to mark some points. So let's get started with another activity. Let me take some points in the first quadrant. So for this, firstly I need to remove these points. Yes. Now we'll discuss about perpendicular distance of a point from y-axis. Okay, for this, let me mark some point. So dear students, I am going to mark some points on first quadrant. In first quadrant, for this, firstly I will remove the points. Yes, let's take a point K whose coordinates are 5, 7. Another point. Yes, I'll take another point. I'll take 3 or 4 points to visualize this concept. Take another point L whose coordinates are 7, 5, M whose coordinates are 6, 3, N whose coordinates are 8, 1, O and K. I'll draw a point on y-axis and then a line segment OK, perpendicular line segment joining the point with y-axis. Take another point on y-axis T and draw a perpendicular line segment passing through Q. Yes, another line segment. In the same way, take another point R on y-axis, draw a perpendicular line segment S and another line segment. Now dear students, now we'll check the length of OK. Yes, it is 5 unit. And dear students, observe the coordinates of point K. Yes, and 5 is the x coordinate of point K. Let's move further. Let's visualize more. Yes, the length of line segment PQ is equals to 7, and you can see the coordinate x coordinate of point Q is 7. In the same way, we'll discuss about, we'll check the length of line segment, perpendicular line segment to y-axis RM, which is length is 6 unit, and we can see the x coordinate of point M is also 6. In the same way, we'll talk about the length of line segment SN, which is 8, and the x coordinate of point N is also 8. So dear students, I hope you are able to visualize logically that the perpendicular distance of a point from y-axis is given by the x coordinate of that point. Yes, dear students, I'm again repeating. Yes, the perpendicular distance of a point from y-axis is given by its x coordinates. I hope the activity is clear to everyone. Thank you dear students. Happy learning.